Still have this bird caught, this pelican is caught on this fishing line. He just pulled him in and then he cut the line. Must be weak, he can't move.
Competidores también al momento de ingresar a la zona de acceso hay que tener
Fishing down there on the dock. Pulled him in from 30, 40 feet out. And he's just tired out. He's cut free, so.
No pasa nada, así que por favor, competidores, los invitamos a cortar el cubrebocas en este momento, al momento de ingresar a la zona de acceso, por favor.
Figure out that he's free, he's got no strength.